shoutout first. Okay?
Shoutout
Bye-bye.
mga pala ako dyan sa... My shoutout is the... You like that? Coming
Sa mga
down
asawa mo,
word,
sa mga asawa
You
mo.
like that?
Sa mga asawa mo. Sa mga asawa mo.
Wala akong asawa, naghiwalay kami, okay? Because I'm not really married the girl, okay? I will new
Wait lang.
girl, is my girlfriend coming is her, wait.
Wait lang, Rashid, pa-self-mute. Madam Lai, yung Madam Elay, dadagdag ka po ba yung 1K or hindi? Mare, sorry, visit ka, Mare, ayop ka. Lagi ka na sa ibang application eh. Madam Elay, idadagdag mo ba o hindi? Okay, wag na daw. Okay, bigay ko na lang sa'yo MC, putang ina mo. Wow, angas mo, madam, thank you very much for the goal. Okay, ready ka na? Are you ready, Rashid? You wear your shoes first, and your necktie.
I will see you.
Okay? Guys, yung konso nito 100 lang sa mga gusto magdagdag para sa konso. Kahit sa konso na lang, kahit wag na sa empty. Kasi kasiyahan ko yung mapakinggan sila at mapagsilbihan sila. Okay? For his first round of Rashid between his opponent, Asta. This is a fucking finals. 1K Basagan English Conference. Let's make some fucking noise. And 3, 2, 1. Beat him. Let's go.
Your face is so very deodorant, huh? You are so very exotic, so very fucking exotic the word, huh? Asta, she is battle your letter is Banta is the win because you are chatting for Horado, ha? You are chatting Horado because you win, ha? I don't like so very bias, ha? I don't like me, ha? Because this is the battle, it's me. I am the win, is so very fucking to you not win, ha? You are slowly, so very lonely. I will win because this game is our fucking killing your the game, ha? You know, I will talking about me. I don't know, judge me because I win down me because I want you because it's you is so very fucking lonely, so very plastic. You're the friendly because our exit this the game because I don't like fucking your brain. Your brain is so very slowly and my brain is so very biggest because I will brain is so very rifle in the charge in the backpack. I will kill is the brain is I will brain is kill your tak. You like that? Because you are fucking nigga. You are glowing upping because battle is me. I will little is you. Because calling tala, I don't care because I will fucking you. My battle is me because our justing with me because I will throne my crown is I will begin crown is Rashid is the king. Call your name, I will fucking this call your name is because Asta is call your daddy because call your name is Kuni. I will copy pat for you are happy jogging pata. You know jogging pants, fuck you.
Time! Oh my god! Jogging pants! You want my pants like kicking?
Am I clear, guys?
Yes,
Nakahihiyan to.
Wait lang. Madam Elay, yung seryoso pag natalo si Rashid, di ka na ba magbibigay ng konso niya? Kasi kung hindi, para mahanapan ko siya ng kasi alam ko naman na, okay, sige po. Jowa mo ba si Rashid?
Paano pag nanalo ko, may dagdag ba ako sa'yo? Let's go. Kahihiyan to eh.
Wala daw. Makukuha mo lang is yung 1,000, Papi Asta. Hindi, siya daw, Rashid. Hindi, padaan mo na lang daw sa akin, ma'am, kasi ayaw tumanggap ni Rashid na ang galing sa'yo. May tiwala naman si Rashid sa akin.
Meron rin nakuha. Wala. Na lang yung price. Akin na. Hindi, sige ako na bahala dyan mamaya. Am I clear, bro? Sige, akin yung supply. Ilan yan? Ilan to? 5? Sige lang. Okay, sige. Let's go! Gago, nilipad. Gago, nililipad yung pera ko. Putang ina.
Ma'am, si Rashid, Ma'am Elay, klaro ka pare. Si Rashid po, naiiyan tumanggap sa inyo, madam. Naiyata siya tumanggap sa inyo, okay?
Ha?
Okay? Hindi, PM mo, hindi, send mo sa akin, madam, tas ako po mag-send sa inyo. Send ko resibo pag na-send ko sa kanya kasi naiya siyang tumanggap sa iyo eh. Sa akin na, tangina mo, kukunin mo din pala, Rashid, hayop ka, kapal ng uso mo. For his, wait, are you ready? Are you vulcanizing? Mr. Asta, are you vulcanizing? Asta, are you there? Are you window?
Am I clear, pre?
Yes, you are, of course. Loud and clear.
Nabutas daw yung motor nila eh. Let's go.
Are you fucking ready?
I'm ready, bro.
Okay? For his first strike o pasta between his opponent Rashid. Trash talk him, beat him, real talk him, do whatever fucking you want to say. Share this link. After I will become a blogger in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
I give you punishment on this event. You're not fluent in English, so you need to quit right now. Rashid your name, pero you need to hearing comprehension. Your name is always mentioned. You have a delusion. I have a execration in this battle, so I have a assassinate on you. Like Emil, assassinate on you like execution. You have a delusion to lose me, so you need to solution to fight me. I lighten on you, Rashid, so I give you a light. I have a rising star on you. You're not a star player, so you're not here in English. You're not fluent. You have a chemical on English. I give you a punishment right now in this event. I give you a kill in this battle like killing Killua. You don't understand that, bro? I have a bro in English. So you have a mindset like Cristo. Oh, comparing again here in English. I'm so very happy. Rashid in finals. I'm predict Rashid in loser. I have a bully. Oh shit, motherfucker. Oh. English battle, but English is not fluent, and you need Tagalog to fight me. Are you serious, bro? Fuck you.
Time! Are you serious, bro? Okay, Rashid, unmute yourself for your second round, okay? Rashid, unmute yourself.
Game, okay.
Okay. Okay, bali yung dagdag lang pala kay Rashid lang hasta, okay? Hindi sa price kay Rashid yung dagdag kung manalo siya may 1K. Pero pag natalo siya may 1K siya, bibigyan siya ni Madam Elay pag natalo si Rashid, okay? For his second round of Rashid between his opponent Asta, trash talk him, beat him, lose him, do whatever fucking you want to say. Let's make some fucking noisy. And 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Stop talking that, okay? I will going Dragon Ball, ha? I will see for Hami Wave, ha? Cooking, ha? Who fucking to you are choking, ha? You like me? I don't like you because I want you because never see win you, ha? I will going Dragon Ball, ha? I will sleep your the Goku, ha? I will see Goku. I will call out Goku. I'm come here this Goku. I will battle to Goku with you, ha? Stop talking, okay? I'm sleeping for Dragon Ball Z, okay? I will talking to you, I know what to talking to you, I will going for Bigo, I will online selling to you, Hello Black, ha? You are selling Hello Black, you are online selling Hello Black for Bigo, ha? Fuck you, ha? I don't like you because I will talking with you because you are Damolag, you are Powerpuff Girls, your mother, ha? Your mother is a very Powerpuff Girls. You are don't like me because I like you or never ski. I will never end me, never kill me, never see you. I will memory dead. You know, you are memory dead is memory killer. I will calling Balsamador because I will kill you because going howla, you know howla because it's kick. You know you are going cockroach because I will kill you. I will Chuck your life. You know, I mean little sign because you are understand fucking by talking about with me because talking to you your life is so very common sense. You are talking helping your mother.
Time. Wait lang, Kin. Kin, shoutout Ninang Shin. Kin, dahil sa ginawa mo, hindi ka nag-English conference kanina. Nagtagalog ka lang. So, may konso to 100. Ngayon, abonado ka pa 100. Ayun yung punishment mo, ha? Abonado ka pa 100. Kasi nagtagalog ka lang, nagpapakahirap silang mag-English para sa kahihiyan nila, tapos ikaw magsasagalog ka lang. I-fitchin mo lang ng conceal para naman maibabanat mo sa kanila. Lugi sa'yo free. Okay? Repa Kristo, kalma ka lang Repa Kristo. Pag hindi ka kumalma dyan, tatawagan kita sa messenger mamaya, papakita ko sa'yo puwit ko. Okay. Bakla ko last na, papi. Shoutout ka na din. Ano ba, Repa? Okay, join na tayo, Repa.
Klaro ba ako, pare? Lasing na ako eh.
Okay,
Magcha-champion pa yata yung lasing. Kutang ina mo.
Okay. Tangina, sino ba tong si Mimi? Putang ina mo kanina ka pa comment, Mimi, hayop ka. Di ka naman nag-aambag. Putang ina mo, sampaling kita. Okay, for his second round, pasta between his opponent Rashid. Beat him, trash talk him, real talk him, say whatever you want to fucking to say. Let's make some fucking noisy Asta. And 3, 2, 1, Muse. Let's go.
I give you a L, cause in this battle and you're lose. You're not a fluent in English, so I give you a lose. You're such a fucking bitches on here, so you need to tear here. You have a cry in this battle, cause I am a crimer. I have a color in this battle like primer. I have a rhymer, so you have a rhymer. I'm a rhyme bender, so you lose in this battle. I got you, bro. So you're not fluent in English. You're such a fucking witch, bro. Yeah, you're not a pro here. I have kahihiyan, putang ina mo. Okay, you're not drinking on this bottle, but you don't have a shots on me drinking bottle shots. You don't understand that? You're not a punch line. You don't have a prime. In this bottle, you have a pride. You don't have. I give you happiness, cause all people out there, so witness. I give you a loose Rashid, so you have a rush here. You're not reading comprehension. Huh? You get it? You don't get it. Okay? You have a rebad right now on this battle, but I know. You don't have a rebut on me, so I know you don't have an English right now. I give you a punishment. Pag di mo ako natalo, gago ka.
Time! English right now? I am left. What the fuck? I am left behind me. Okay, you are clear, Rashid. Unmute yourself. Rashid, unmute yourself.
There.
Yes, you are. Uy! Kapal na labi mo, Devil Dragon. Putang ina mo.
Nagulat to kay Devil Dragon, hayop na mukha mo.
Kapal na labi no? Kapal na labi No? Parang nakagat ng bubuyog ang puta. Dapat pag nagkabebe ka, tawagin mo, honey. O kaya, B. Total mukha kayong bubuyog. Putang ina mo, pangit. Okay? Are you fucking ready, Rashid?
Ready, yes.
Okay. For his third round of Rashid between his opponent Asta. This is a fucking finals. Beat him, lose him, trash talk him, real talk him, say whatever what you want to say. Let's make some fucking noise. You look like Pani, Pac-Man, Pac-Me. And 3, 2, 1, finals. Let's go.
She is your cockroach is flying. Huh? Do you like cockroach? Because you are eating cockroach for rabbit, you know, like that, huh? I will talking to you, huh? I front to you because fuck you, huh? You know, like the fuck you. I call your mother, huh? She is calling your father. His father is going his hair because your father is right there, huh? You are fucking father right there. She's my father is so very cute. See my mother is very cute like that, huh? Your mother is so very fucking face. I'm not talking to you because my father I like you, huh? My father is so very good, huh? My father is so very highter. My father is so very lonely like that, human, huh? Your father is Chow Kong, your father is stealing tangkong for Bigo like that. I will battle to you the Bigo because you are going to Bigo because you are scammer. You are pang score for scammer. Bigo is like that. She is my papsre is my father. You like that because your papsre is not your father. You know, she is Teodoro is my stepfather. She is Tigtas is my grandfather, like you are all father is big in the battle, yes. Basagan, your father, I will going battle Pokemon, you are battle to you with Pokemon, your father, like that, your mother is choking for eating fucking cockroach. You are fucking chicken, you are face of very chicken pox. I will like you because you are chicken fox, chicken. I will flying to the fling to you. Fire, bender, water, apoy, in the name Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen. I will drinking holy water, you are drinking bad, like that. It's my good news. I fuck you. Oh my God, Rashid. You look like my tito. When first is going abroad, you know, every Friday day off. You look like that. Yan la babu. Pero baden ka na finish sa salary coming. Okay, baden muskil tulos ni. Okay, papiasta. Flower ka ba? Okay, yalla habibi, yan. Oh. Are you fucking ready? Wahad. Okay. Uling pagpapastor mo na to, papiasta. Mag-ready ka na. Oy, Carla, maganda. Sino maganda?
Ay, gago pare. Wala na akong banat, gago. First round ako.
Okay.
Wala na pare. Wala na akong banat.
Okay. Who's the first between them?
Hoy, si Rashid ang nauna.
Rashid is the first who won Asta.
Gago. Ano to, 4 rounds?
Hindi,
Ilan
gago,
yan?
si Rashid na una pare.
Gago, hindi. Nauna ako pare kasi ano ko number 1 ako eh. Number 1 ako kanina.
Oy, una si Rashid, ikaw nanalo sa dice.
Okay, sige lang. Okay lang, go lang. Chill lang.
Ayan.
Sige.
Ay na mo, pare, ano ka ba?
Sige lang. Gago, madaya. Gago.
Si Rashid na
Gusto
una.
nyo pa ako mag-round
Ayan
4
no,
Rashid.
si Bebe Chi, sabi niya si Rashid nauna. So,
Ano ba
madaya
na?
si Bebe Chi.
Hindi, number 1 ako kahit tanong nyo kila Banta sa mga players.
Ayun nga, sabi nga ni Banta, Papi Banta, tanungin daw kita. Banta, sino nauna kanina? Sino nauna,
Ako na
pare?
naman. Sige na, ako na. Kayo naman kayo nyo.
Ako nauna.
Oh, di ba?
Hindi, number 1 kasi ako kanina pare sa dice. Gago kayo. Hindi,
Okay,
kailangan hindi panalo. Ayoko na. Hindi, pare kasi parang ang daya naman, di ba? Number 1 ako, tanda ako, pe.
Tingnan mo, lasing na.
Eh, di consider na lang ako pag ganon. Consider na lang ako.
Lasing ka ba, pare?
Last na lang yan. Last na yan.
Pare,
Ah.
pare, lasing ka ba?
Gagi! Ano, first round talaga ako, pare. Kasi ako yung unang bumanat sa kanya. Kanina. Sige.
Kay Banta yun, pare. Kay Banta yun, pare.
Hindi, pare, kay Banta. Si Banta, ako yung nauna kay Banta kanina. Ako rin
O,
ako
kaya
kay
nga.
Rashid.
Hindi,
Kay Rashid din ako nauna. Okay, sige, okay na. Game na.
Dalawa mo palang na banat.
Sige na, okay na.
Gising
Sige
ka
na.
pa ba?
Lalasing si
Game.
pare Asta, pakinggan natin yan mamaya sa YouTube. Cristo, pagtapos nito, upload mo na, para hindi pa tapos judging. Okay, for his. Ready, mag-shoutout ka muna, pare. Parang Asta.
Shoutout sa nanay ko, nandito sa gilid ko. Ayan, tumatawa siya kay Rashid. Shoutout din kay sa pinsan ko si Adam na nasa gilid ko din na nagko-code M. O yun, so okay, let's go!
Okay. Kaninang kay si shoutout ninang, this is a round 3. Okay, for his third round o pasta between his opponent Rashid. Let's make some fucking noise. Finals round 3 and 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
I have a demolition on you. You're such a fucking loser. Your illusion. I have a execration on this paddle. So I got a rattle. You look like a throttle cause you're such a fucking trigger. I have a mindset on you cause I got higher. I got a eye of the tiger cause you're such a fucking pussy. Here, you look like a Rusi in this battle cause your rude is not good for you, Rashid. You need to hearing comprehension to diffuse on me. I have a bomb in this battle like TNT. I have a smarter on you like smart SIM card. You know that? You know that? You know that? You know that, Rashid? You don't have. Okay? I have a kahihiyan on you. don't post Rashid, Krista, cause I have a, I have a mindset. Okay? Like pull clip. Okay, I have a cheat on you, Rashid. You're not a fluent. You need Tagalog to pass on me. You look like a light, but not bright on you, Rashid. You understand right now? I'm laughing on you. Malaki dyan.
Time, putang ina. Salamat dito, galit na galit. Okay, Ninang Casey, salamat po. Receive po, Ninang Casey. Ninang Casey, but your vote is, who's your between them? Because, Ninang Casey, you will chat me on the box, on the... Okay. Oh my God. His vote is Asta. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, Ninang Casey, thank you very much for the donation. This event is for a cause, because my and me and you and Duan, you know Duan? Okay. Ninang Bri, who's your vote? Ninang, you can unmute
Kay
yourself.
kay Asta. Kasi kahit ganun pa man, basagin pa din yung niya, yung banat niya. Kay kasi Rashid, puro cockroach, putang ina. Yun lang naintindihan ko, mother, father, pukit na yan lang.
Ang ina, sana sumali ako, sayang yung ginutom lang ako ni Rashid ng ina. Because I have dictionary here. I will read in dictionary when I'm in the battle. Okay, Bunsoichi, who's your vote? Oh my God. Who's your vote, Bunso? Sabi ni Bunso, Rashid na lang ako, kuya. May boto na naman na si Lablab. Kaso baka mag-away kami. Baka kayo, Bunso. Okay,